In today's video, we will discuss the benefits of doing push-ups on a regular basis. So let's get started. Hi there viewers, no time for the gym this week, that's rough. But here is the good news, you can still get in a good workout. How often do you do push-ups? They are among the most basic exercises invented. If your physical strength crucial to your job, you are doing them on a regular basis. This includes everyone, from athletes to military personnel. Let's discuss the benefits of doing push-up on a regular basis.
Before moving to our video, please subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon to help the channel to grow.
Number 1. Improve your muscle definition. With standard push-ups, your hands are shoulder width apart. This works your triceps. With wide push-ups, the distance between your hands is twice as long. This will pump up your chest. With narrow push-ups, your hands are placed close together. This benefits both your triceps and pectorals. With forward push-ups, your hands are a shoulder width apart, except they are placed about 20 cm in front. Backwards push-ups have your hands placed 20 cm behind. Both forward and backward methods work your abs and back muscles. Number 2. Your joints receive some help. Forget looking good for a second. Let's discuss your joints. Your joints are the part of the body where two or more bones meet. This allows them to properly function. If they have been suffering lately, it is best to begin a push-up regime. Number 3. Push-ups help prevent cardiovascular problems. Push-ups can greatly benefit your cardiovascular system. The exercise forces your heart to work harder, in turn producing oxygen. This oxygen is then sent to your muscles tissue. But in order for you to get the best result, you need to go hard.
Enjoy the video, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to help our channel to grow. Thank you.